Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meira Handayani. I'm from Business Education 2017 at University of Jakarta. Today, I would like to present about my internship program in PT Jasa Marga related business. The first is place and implementation. For the company name is PT Jasa Marga Related Business and address in Jagorawi Building, Plaza Tol Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. And assignment is divisi operasional and period is 1 January 2020 until 29 February 2020. We know that every company was employees who are competent in their fields. Not only competent, the company will also look for employees who can use technology in this advanced era. In this case, it is in how intense the competition to finding work for us, so only people selected will be recruited by the company. When we see the current condition, we need to prepare ourselves before we are looking for work. One of the important things that needs to be prepared is education. Universities give us competent to use in work. State University of Jakarta have internship program so that we a student can apply what we learn from university to the office, and this internship program give us an experience about work. Of company. PT Jasa Marga Property was established on January 15, 2013 as a subsidiary of PT Jasa Marga Persero, engaged in property. In the order to support the business development of Jasa Marga Group on May 28, 2019, GMP transformed into PT Jasa Marga Related Business and began to develop business around the toll road corridor of Jasa Marga Group, including residential, res and service, advertising and utilities, and building management. Jasa Marga related business have footprints. The first, in 2013, PT Jasa Marga Property was established on January 15, 2013 as a subsidiary of PT Jasa Marga Persero, engaged in the property sector. 2016, PT GMP obtained the right to manage rest and service, in bahasa is tempat istirahat dan pelayanan, on Jasa Marga Group toll roads, namely Purbalenyi and Palikanci. And 2018, consider capable of managing TIP, Jasa Marga Grand TIP management right across Jasa Marga Group toll road to GMP. And 2019, PT GMP received a management contract for other business management, namely SPM supervision at Jasa Marga TIP Partner, advertising and utilities, and building management, and also PT GMP changed its name to PT Jasa Marga Related Business. And now to 2020, with the development of the Jasa Marga Group toll route, PT GMRB will start developing the toll corridor development or TCD business. General company activity. We know that PT Jasa Marga related business has a fairly broad business line, which include property development and management of rest area throughout Indonesia, management of advertising and utility units, digital business development, and building management. And you know that PT Jasa Marga related business have a 7P strategy, that is the first, product. PT Jasa Marga related business have 4 categories, which include the first, rest area of ownership, 2, utilities and advertising management, the 3, toll corridor development, and the 4, building management. The second is price. PT Jasa Marga related business is a service company that provides price be adapted to its products, particularly for rest area, 70% of which are UMKM, and the rest area non-UMKM, the price is more adjusted to the area of the rent. And the 3 is place. A strategic location greatly influence product sales, both in the location of the head office, branch office, and a project location. PT Jasa Marga related business is located in East Jakarta. For the rest area itself, there are already 34 rest areas spread across the island of Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, and Sulawesi. The fourth is promotion. Promotion strategy is very important to product continuity, to get consumer, and to get the profit and reach the target. PT Jasa Marga related business, promotional and sales strategy include by advertising on social media, banners, flyers, and contacting big tenant to over product. Meanwhile, for promotion through electronic media, PT Jasa Marga related business spread information through article on the website, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. 5. People. Human resources also determine whether a company is progressing or not. Therefore, PT Jasa Marga has employees who are able to serve consumer well. PT Jasa Marga also provides skill training for all of its employees over 3 days in stage. And then for progress, there are several services provided by PT Jasa Marga related business to improve customer satisfaction. The first thing that is done is that consumer can come directly to the PT Jasa Marga related business office to establish cooperation and at the same time find out the recruitment's advantage and disadvantage of PT Jasa Marga related business product. And 7 is physical display. The physical appearance of the place of business can also explain how the building arrangement of a company is PT Jasa Marga related business also organize not only the building of the company but create an attractive brochure with product image and price. Then display a simple homepage and clear and easy to access menu option on the web page. The next is work implementation. The field work practice activities that have been carried out by the practitioner are the result of guidance and direction in the form of discipline, responsibility, and skill in carrying out the tasks that have been given by the supervisor and company staff. During the internship implementation, the practitioner is placed in the operation division, especially in this rest area or rest and service area. In the operation division, the practitioner is guided by Rahavika and Yunida. When doing street vendor, the fields of work that the practitioner is doing are the first, handling correspondence activity, and 2 issue number for official notes and outgoing letters, and 3 make a draft budget, and 4 check sales invoice data or rest area list invoice, 5 is make a payment request, and 6 duplicate document. During the implementation of the fieldwork practice, practitioners try to do it well, either with the work environment or the job given. Practitioners try to do their best to complete their job, but in the practice, not everything can run perfectly. There are still several obstacles faced by practitioners, including the first is a lot of workload and must be completed at the same time, when the practitioner is making the budget plan or RAB for the operation division, then incoming documents are given from the branch office to be checked for completeness. And 2, when the practitioner is asked to make a budget plan in Microsoft Excel, while the practitioner has never made a budget plan and has not mastered Microsoft Excel well. Overcome obstacle. The work given while the practitioner is doing fieldwork practice at PT Jasa Marga related business can be completed well even though there are several obstacles that become obstacle. Practice overcoming this obstacle in the following way. The first is practice prioritizing the work given according to the level of urgent and non-urgent needs. In addition, good time management is needed in order to complete work quickly so that when an employee asks for practical help, he can estimate the speed in completing the work given. And two, practice asking a mentor about making a RIB in Microsoft Excel and learning to use Microsoft Excel properly and correctly. So, the last conclusion is practical field work which is carried out by the practitioner for the 2 months in operation division of PT Jasa Marga related business. The practitioner get a lot of new knowledge that has never been obtained during lecture, both in the form of insight, skill, work discipline, how to communicate, attitude, and behavior in facing various problems in the real world of work that are not only limited to the theory that the practitioner get while attending lecture. The conclusion obtained during the implementation of street vendor. The first is praktikan know-how and the work system in the company, especially at PT Jasa Marga related business. Two, practitioner know how the prioritize the work that is given together. The three, practitioner can be more critical in thinking when they encounter something that has never been known before. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.